tell me a bit more about your company.
Our company is a spin-off of the University of Kassel, and we developed a system for with an independent power supply to support remote areas with drinkable water.
And what makes your product unique?
The unique part is that it can work without batteries, that we are pumping the water, and that we are generating the chlorine out of the chloride, which is in every sweet water, and which means nobody has to handle with chemicals, and the maintenance can be done by any person, which is very easy. And the only things you need is lemon juice, vinegar, and a toothbrush.
So can you talk me through the process of how it works?
Yes, so first we are pumping the water up to 70 meters. Afterwards we do a pre-filtering. Then it's passing an electrolysis process, and we always control by a sensor the amount of chlorine which is in the water.
And how does it use solar power?
The solar power we need for the energy to pump the water and for the electrolysis process, and the energy supply for the regulation, which is controlling everything, and all parameters may change. For example, the salt concentration in the water is never the same, the bacterial contamination is never the same, the head, how high you have to pump will change, and so on.
And where do you see your main markets being?
The main markets are the increasing developing countries, and especially there in the rural areas where you have no energy supply, and technical, educated people are quite far away, and you have there the biggest need of clean water.
So where do you see the product going in about 5 or 10 years?
Oh, at the moment we are in several countries like Pakistan, the Gambia, Ghana, where we have sold some to the military forces, for example, and India, and in Brazil for sure, because this was our first country where we have started our field test in 2003.
And do you think there's quite a big future for this technology?
We hope so. So normally we think this will need a couple of years to get our feet into the market, but it's necessary, and normally we wanted to develop something which makes sense and which will help the people and to give everybody a future to live.